Hey, what's up everybody? Keith Rainville here from the CBDstore.com. So I want to show you today the 4-in-1 pen, and we're just going to show you what the attachments are and what each attachment does inside the 4-in-1 pen. This is a real popular pen that people get to use for vaping. Okay, so this particular pen has all the attachments, and I'm just going to lower the camera so you can see. I'm going to take you through the attachments here. Okay, so if you take a look, the first one here, this is for regular vape oil. Okay, the second attachment here, this is for dry herb. The third attachment is for CBD oil, and the fourth attachment here is for wax. Okay, so real simple pen to operate. The biggest problems I see with this pen, it's really not a problem, is people will take and use the charger and put it on the pen too tight. Okay, so they'll actually put this charger on too tight and screw it on too tight. You just want to do it hand tight. And when you turn this pen on, you're going to press the button 5 times to turn it on and 5 times to turn it off. And then when it is on and you want to take a puff, you're just going to hold the button down and inhale. Now if you see a red light come on while you're holding that button, that means that you've held it down for too long and it will stop so it doesn't burn out your coil inside the pen. Okay guys, so that is the 4-in-1 pen. One of the things I did want to point out to you is we do sell now all these replacement attachments at the CBDstore.com. Okay, so we have these attachments on the website, extra batteries, the extra cartridges. So if you want to refill your cartridge, you can do so. I always tell people, when you get a cartridge like this, make sure if you're going to refill this, or if you want to refill it, because a lot of folks don't know that this here will unscrew and you can actually refill your old cartridges. Okay, see how I did that? Just unscrewed it here, take out this little stopper here, and put your refillable oil in here, put the stopper back in like so, and then screw back on the top, and you are ready to go. It's that easy. Okay, refilling those cartridges. Okay guys, so again, this is all located on the CBDstore.com. Check us out. You get 10% off, promo code 10OFF, and free shipping all the time. Guys, I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions in regards to the 4-in-1 pen, please don't hesitate to ask. We sell a ton of these things, and we know just about everything about them. Okay guys. Okay, thanks for watching, my friends. Like the video, subscribe to the channel.